Okay, let's start over again. Hello everyone, I'm Kelvin from Round and Search. Alright, so today we are looking into the Singapore market and look at the Singapore side. Okay, what are the stocks that are dangerous and also what are the potential stocks? Okay, so right now what we have here is uh today market SGX. I'm not sure how is it. How can I change this to Malaysia? But it doesn't matter. Okay, so last week I've shared with you guys on the market overall. Singapore market seems like everything is having at the peak, and also things even for Malaysia side is showing some sign of at the peak as well. Even same goes to the Hong Kong market. So whether this is just a coincidence and also is just happened, all right, or just I believe it's not a coincidence, because why is all the stocks are showing sign of reversal, right? So, or trading at the high side. So this could be a sign to us that there might be a correction that is coming in. So we have to be careful. Okay, so let's take a look into this week. How are the stocks performing in the market? Okay, so as we can see, DBS, the price have already gone down. So today they are one of the top gainers in the STI index. Let's not look into STI index first. Let's take a look into the top active stocks in SGX. So same thing, DBS is the highest gainer. Let's see whether this gain over here is showing any sign of reversal or is just merely attracting buyers from here. Okay, so yesterday what we see here is that DBS seems like forming a bottom. So today the price are marking higher, but it's not showing any sign that is a confirmation of rebound yet. The reason is because we do see there's a lot of high volume after the morning price are mark up, and then after that they have a retrace and rebound back up to about the same level, sustaining at the same point with high volume coming in without any without any price moving up. So this actually have a contra contra to the buy right. Okay, with high volume comes in, the price should move higher, but we don't have that in here. Instead, the price is stay about the same level. Same goes to it, and when it's at 4 o'clock, and then the rest of it at around like 5 is just the matching time where we do see high volume comes in. These are usually the funds are doing some balancing out during the time, so we can ignore here. So the reason why we ignore is because sometimes funds, when they come in, they are just trying to hold for long term. So in short term wise, it doesn't have any of the effect or affecting the price to mark it up higher. But looking at this over here, we can see high volume price is not marking higher, so which means that it could be just a price up, churning, attracting buyers, wait for buyers to key in their orders at the lower point, then they sell it down to them. So be very careful on this DBS, which I find based on my analysis is more towards like attracting buyers. Okay, so the rebound is not set in yet, so we have to wait. And then we have this Capital Land Invest. I think it's a trust, I guess. So we do see a bit of a bottom is forming yesterday, not really yesterday. Okay, there's moving sideways, but we can't say it's a bottom where we don't see like high volume comes in to support it. In the past few days, the high volume actually comes in when the price is marking higher and is at 5 o'clock. So we don't see any of the bottom is formed after the price is high. Okay, mark up higher. Those volume that it happens, okay, ignoring those that is coming in at the opening price and also closing market close, the volume doesn't seems like it's a bottom form, but rather just like sustaining there. Okay, so of course this one wise, it doesn't show any sign of them are having bottom, and also it doesn't show any sign of like reversal that's going on here. But on this day, 15 November, is showing sign that they mark up churning volume at the high side. They able to throw it down So I think they are still trying to attract more buyers to come in around this level, and then they throw it down. So I don't think this, looking at the 5-minute charts of analysis, I don't think this price up here is a valid flag breakout. I know some of you look into flag breakout, but I don't look into chart pattern anymore. So this flag breakout might just, of course, the volume is low, so you cannot consider it as a flag breakout. So this price up over here, I think is just not more attractive. So right after that, maybe they'll mark up a little bit, then the price will not sustain the high side, then they press it back down lower. Okay, so be careful with this. And then Singtel also, of course, I mean, in short term or maybe day trading wise, you could have some opportunity to for some of the short-term trade or maybe day trade that is going on. Okay, and then we have here is the Singtel. Singtel seems like a bottom is formed, and then price is marked up higher, closing higher today. So bottom is formed, rebound is set in. I think Singtel is going to have a rebound that's coming soon. Okay, so do look into it. I'll just add this into my watch list. Okay, for rebound trades. Okay, so Singtel is not dangerous. It is good for us to look at it. So these are the old stocks. I'm not going to add into that. Just okay, those trusts I will try to avoid it, because I think trust wise their valuation is based on the price. The stock price is not so much influenced by the demand of it. It's more towards like the valuation of it, then they will do a reversal. So I'm not sure about that. So if any one of you know how this works, do let me know, and then I will look into it and then find out more. Okay, and next one, Comfort Grow. Let's see. These kind of stocks I will try to avoid, even in Malaysia side also, because the price marking up higher is having very consistent volume that it comes in. So we do see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 day high volume. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 day high volume. So such a consistent high volume with very low price up, just moving, fluctuating 3 to 4 ticks, or maybe 2 to 3 ticks over here. These are usually the churning stocks. So I'll try to avoid that. Okay, because they are churning, and then you never know when are they going to throw it down lower very fast like this. Okay, so I will stay out from that, but it's up to you to look at it. Okay, then we look into Top Glove, also one of our Malaysian company that dual listing in Singapore. Do they have any of the reversal is coming in? Let's see, but I think the reversal has really set in. Bottom form, high volume. I think it's pretty much it's reaching to the high price. It's not, I think for myself, it's not so favorable for any of the short-term trade. Okay, anytime they can just throw it down. As you can see, they always like mark up and then throw it down. I mark up a bit, then throw it down. Mark up a bit, throw it down. Although here we don't see any of the high volume that it comes in, so there's no support here at all for this Top Glove. So I'll stay aside. Okay, stay aside. So resources, Golden Agri Resources. Like a piano key. So this is what I'm referring to piano key. Like fluctuation is only like 2 to 3 ticks, 2 to 3 ticks. It's too liquid, okay, too active traded, and it's difficult to see what is their intention. So we're gonna skip that. Then we have YZJ. Let's see. I don't know. This YZJ shipping SGD, is it a dual listing thing or is let me check. Okay. YZJ shipping SGD. Listed on SGX with dual currency. Primary currency is Singapore dollar. Okay. So I think that's nothing much of it. Yeah. So things should be okay. Okay, for us to look at it. 5-minute charts. Support is formed, but seems like they are not able to push it up much higher. You can see like there's a lot of high volume comes in. where support is formed. Then today morning price, they open up higher with high volume. So there's no reversal or rebound actually sets in yet. Let me see the volume. Okay, volume is okay. So there's no high, I mean like rebound sets in yet. We do have like bottom is forming, and then today opening price, let's see, let's look nearer. Today opening price, okay, price is at a high side, high volume, but opens at here, close at here, so it's not, rebound is not set in yet. So I think this one we can wait. I'll just add it to the watch list and wait for the time. When do they show sign of rebound? Because in the past few days it's showing quite a support of volume at the bottom price. It might be showing sign of a reversal. Okay, and let's see, this one below 10 cent, I'm not going to look at it. MacTex International. Okay, today seems price is marking up, so are they having a rebound? High volume, high volume. Support is here. When it comes to here, they move up to this area here and then it stopped. It doesn't show any sign that they, I mean like there's a high volume but price is not marking much higher, and then it falls back. So it's more like they are doing up and down, churning to the selling some of their shares away for take profit taking. So nah, I'm not interested in it then, because the very simple way to look into the stock market is that you need to know when does the big boys churning or maybe doing something that is trying to attract the buyers to come in, and then if they are doing something that is trying to attract the buyers to come in, what are the things that they do is they will create a lot of volume, make it like fear of missing out, make you think that there's a lot of buyers, then you will jump in. Okay, then we know that okay, they are trying to do something funny to get people in so that they can sell, because the public is always their customer, so we are always the one that is buying from them. Okay, and then looking at this, bottom is formed here nicely. Okay, I think Thai beverage is going to have a gradual price up. There's because there's no very high volume that it shows like the price don't want to mark it up higher, so we can still continue to watch. Okay, Thai beverage, I think it will be a very slow price up starting from now in Thai beverage. So I think short term wise, slowly mark up, it seems like it will have that. Okay, so well, it's worth looking at it, by the way. Okay, for myself, for what I do. What is it again? I put it into my watch list. Next one, reads all this, I'm going to put aside SMM Vantage. I think it's like it's the Vantage Trust, right? Oh, it's a limited Investco, Myanmar Investco, SMI Myanmar Investco. It's an investment and management focused on Myanmar. The company adopts a diversified model. Okay, it's basically something like a unit trust, but it's only like few cents. I don't want to look at it. Okay, Gunting Singh. Okay, let's check. So they have a retrace here. Are they forming any bottom? Is there any of the buyers coming in to support it? Yes. Okay, on 20th November, bottom is formed, and then here was no sign of rebound at the moment. So I think just let them down for a few more days, or maybe move sideways for a few more days. Then we come back and check Genting Singapore and see any of the rebound sign. Okay, so if you want to get updates on this, okay, follow me on Investing Node, okay, Round and Search. So I'll share my views there whenever I can. Okay, all right. So SIA, are they forming bottom? I mean, are they forming resistance? Yes, of course, definitely. Up, move sideways, and then here today again, there's a high volume, and then throw it down, and then move sideways throughout the whole day. I have a little bit of volume, quite consistent volume is coming in when they're moving sideways here. So it's a bit of churning. So I think it's at the peak right now. So be careful on this, all right? Now, let's see the rest of it. XT means what? I don't know. Dividend, X dividend. Price is down, so just wait for it. Okay, it's played like piano key, so I'm gonna skip. Then SATS, this stocks I've been looking at it to go down, but it's not going down yet. Okay, so let's see. Let's see 1 week, how's the price movement. Okay, it's hitting the peak on 21st of November, yesterday, which is, and then today formed very nice bottom, but there's no sign of reversal. Okay, so wait for a reversal. So let's see how far they will fall, because bottom is formed means like someone come in and support at this price, but it can actually goes down support at a lower price also. So we need to wait for the rebound signals to come in, and then we know that okay, they are ready to market up higher. Okay, something like this over here. Okay, so if you want to know more, you can go to our description box. You can click on the video course link. Okay, R&S Teachable. Okay, that link. And then you will find out more about how to identify support, how to identify the resistance here, bottom and price peak, when is it going to rebound, when is it going to have a fall. So you will be able to apply into the DLC in SGX, where you can enter using DLC for long position, and then enter exit, take profit, and then enter at the short position at the high side, and then it goes down. Okay, all right, so that's what you can see here. All right, let's summarize today. What we can see here is that basically Singtel is showing sign of some reversal or rebound that is coming in. Thaibev waiting. Okay, not to say waiting, but they will move a bit gradually, move up higher. The pace will be the speed, okay, will be slightly slower than the Singtel rebound. Okay, so Singtel, the rebound sets in, so you guys do your homework and find out, see whether it's worth to look at it. Okay, and again, all of these things that I share with you here today is basically based on my point of view, and then it's not an offer to buy or sell stock. So you have to do your own research or your studies, okay, to do your investment decision. Okay, so overall market, I think SGX is right now is a bit mixed. So doesn't mean that it's not able to make any short-term profit. You can still make short-term profit, just that you have to be careful on selecting the stocks. Okay, all right, so that's it here for today for my live stream, sharing with you my point of view about SGX market and what are the danger stocks, and also what are the stocks that is forming a bottom that you can closely monitor it, put it into watch list or study it or whatever it is. Okay, the rest of it is basically trading at the high side, so be careful. Okay, but you still can look at it. And of course, like those like Singtel, or those not Singtel, maybe other stocks that they have DLC, maybe you can look into it for any of the short position, or maybe, yeah, you know. Okay, so that's my point of view here. Okay, thank you very much for joining into our live stream, and I'll see you guys again next week, same time, okay, on Wednesday night. Bye bye.
Round and Search. True traders react to the market.